It's your guy Shiva, a continuation of the first day of trading of the basic plus intermediate level of trading of the car strategy. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to link your account to your MetaTrader trading platform and how to use the MetaTrader trading platform. Okay, so without further ado, let's start this video. So how to link your account? First, you just go at the top right left of your account. Okay, just tap quotes, then go to manage accounts. Okay, so the broker that I use is FXPesa. So you're going to tap this plus to add account, then you're going to tap log into an existing account. Okay, yeah, then define broker. Because I use FXPesa, which is powered by EGM Securities, I'm going to be searching EGM, then the EGM Securities demo and the EGM Securities Live 4 will pop out, and then I'll select Live 4, and then you input your trading account number, and then the password, you put your portal password, and then you sign in. After signing in, you'll get something like this. As mine has already been signed in, and then I'll just go back to my quote page. Okay, at the quote page now, as you have already linked your account, you will have your quote page where you'll be having your trading instruments. Okay, so at FXPesa I use a premium account. That's why you see that we have the quote and then .ap at the end. So that's what I'm going to be trading, since my account is a premium account, and the premium account is best because it has tight spread, but there's a commission which is being charged, but it's so friendly, it's so good, I love it. Okay, so at the quote right here, let's say at the quote indicates the trading instrument that you're trading. Let's say you want to add to your trading instruments, or you want to delete some of your trading instrument on your watch list, because these are watch list. Okay, so if you want to add, just tap this plus above here, and then you have all the trading instruments, and then you can add whatever you want to trade. I can add gold, and I can also search something if I want. Okay, for example, USD Japanese yen. When it pops up, I tap it and then it's added. When I go at the bottom here, I have them being added. Let's say I want to delete some of my trading instruments. I just go at the top right, I have my biro right here, which is for edit. Then I tap delete. I can delete some of the trading instrument that I don't want. Okay, then I can delete like that, and then you can see my trading watch list has reduced. Okay, yeah, so the next thing I'm going to show you is it was at the chart page. Okay, so normally when you download this app, the chart is normally looks like this. Okay, and you don't want to be using something like this. Okay, like for me, I can't use it when it is just like this. I have to customize it to my preference. Okay, so for customization, I just tap at the right top left corner, and then I go to the settings. Okay, I want to tick advanced mode. Order sounds, I want to remove the order sounds. Then I go at show period separators, I remove show period separators. Then I go to colors, customize color scheme. Okay, so I want it to be black and white, and then the foreground to be just black, the grid to be color white, the volumes will just say like that. The bar up, I like it to be purple, the bar down black, the bull candle I would like them to be purple, and then the bear candle black, chart line just black, bid price I want it to be purple. Okay, and the ask price I want it to be black. Okay, and the stop levels I want them to be pink, and then I tap done. So when I go back to my chart page, I see that it has already been customized. So the bullish candles are the purple candles, and the bearish candles are the black candles. Okay, so the next tab is for the trade, equity, and the free margin. So when I place my trades that are running, they'll pop out in this page. And when I want to go to my history of my previous trades, I go to this page. So today I've not traded, so and my account is currently at 0, so I've not traded, so my history is 0. Okay, so let me go somewhere else. I show you how to read trades in this how to read this trade chart. Okay, this trade tab. Okay, where you have the balance, equity, and the free margin. So see you there. Let me just pause a little while. Okay, so we have this. So we have an account here which has $130. Okay, so let me place a trade right here and now. So let me just use 0.0 lot size. Okay, and when I want to place a trade, I just go at the top right at the chart, then I select my lot size that I want to use. At the left hand side is my stop loss. So if I want to sell, so my stop loss should be above the current market price. So I put my stop loss and then my take profit below. Okay, and I told you I want to be making more than what I be risking. Okay, so 1.2300. Okay, and then I tap my sell. Okay, so that's my trade that has already been placed. Okay, so you can see that my stop loss distance is smaller than my take profit distance. That's how your trade should be always look like. Okay, even your trade yako inafaa kuwa inakaa. Okay, these are favorable, good risk reward ratio. Okay, of 1 is almost to 3. Okay, yeah. So I wanted to show you this page, how to read this page. So you have your account balance of 1.2977. Okay, you have your equity. Okay, so equity is equals to the trade that is in profits or loss. So it is equity is always balance plus your profit stroke loss. Okay, and then margin, it is the amount that has been used to take this position. Okay, then you have the free margin. Free margin now is equals to equity minus margin. Okay, so you have 130 minus that margin of 12.36, then you get your free margin, and then you have your margin level. Okay, so margin level now is equals to, okay guys, so I was saying the margin level is equals to equity divided by margin times 100, and that's why you get 106.07. Okay, so it is a percentage. Okay, yeah. So and once you get your margin level is below 100, that's when you get your margin call. Okay, and let's say your equity drops until your margin level is below 30%, your trade starts to auto close, starting from the first trade, the biggest trade in position that is in red. Okay, that is in losses. So it's like that. Okay, yeah. So that's all about using this app. Okay, so let me just to add on something. When you're at your chart, okay, so when you tap your screen like this, you see this circular thing that is popping up. It indicates the different time frames. Okay, and 1 minute, M5, M15. So the current time frame that I'm using to view this chart is M15. Okay, so M15, it means that one candle took 15 minutes to open and close. Okay, yeah. And when I change to another time frame, this chart views like this. So one candle took 1 hour to open and close. Okay, so in the next 1 hour, that will be at 13:00, another candlestick will open from this chart. Okay, yeah. And from the circular thing, we have F is for indicators. So the indicators that I like using at the moving average, which is the period, which is 21, shift 0, simple, applied to median. Okay, pixel, adjust to, and then I tap done. So that's the indicator that I like using, plus the fractals. Okay, so those are the two indicators that I love using. Okay, yeah. The next thing that I want to show you is this plus thing that occurs at the circular thing. Okay, so this is just a cursor that displays on the right hand side the price, and the bottom of the chart the date that happened. Okay, the date at which the thing you're pointing at happened. Okay, we can say like at this high it occurred at the 2nd of this month. Okay, at 17/00/2023. Okay, yeah. So that's just how to view, and the price is 1.2342. Okay, so this is just a cursor for pointing out. Okay, to remove this cursor so that you can continue with other functions, you just tap this plus sign above here, just tap it, and then you're out. This F, as I told you, is for indicators. Okay, so when you tap there, you go into the indicators, and then the next one, which has a dollar sign with the arrows moving anti-clockwise, that's for quotes. So when I tap that, I can view my quotes. It's not a must I come back here. Okay, so I can just get my trading watch list from this point. I can change to Nasdaq like that. Okay, also I can go back to the one that I'm trading. Okay, so the next one right here, this for if I want multiple windows. This MetaTrader 5, I can add another window for like Euro USD. Then I can edit the color custom and take it to custom, and then it will be of the same as the one that is up there. Okay, yeah, so MetaTrader 5 has good and sweet options. Okay, yeah, so let's go back to the trade tab, and then I show you a little things. So let's say I want to delete this trade, or I want to close this trade. I just tap on it, and then I tap close position, and then I close with that profit. Okay, let's say I want to close partials. I can tap close position, and then I edit the lot size that I want to close. So let me close like 0.01. Okay, so the remaining trade will be 0.03. Remember, I placed the trade while it was at 0 with 0.04 lot size. I can close another partial. You can just swipe the trade like this, and then just tap this something like a tick there. That means trades close. Take partials again, and then I'm left with 0.02 trade. Okay, yeah, I can modify it. Let's say I want to place my stop loss at entry. I can edit, and my entry is 1.23. I can view it at sell 0.02 GBP at 1.2364 3, and then I can just modify like that. And when I go to the chart, I can see that I can also delete this. I can remove that bottom chart. Okay, so you can see that the stop loss, it is at my entry, and when price starts going back up, I'll get out at the entry, so I'll not make any loss. This is what it is called as break even. Okay, yeah, so that's a break even. Yeah, so you know how to close your profits. If I want to add a position, I can just swipe it like this, and then tap that plus, then I can add another cell just like that. Yeah, and when I want to close this position, I just close without loss like that. Okay, or profit. Okay, so the last thing at the left of the right most, it is for chart. When I tap like that, I go back to my chart. So simply, that's how I use this app in a simple steps, in simple ways. Okay, so just get your app and start playing with it. Just look at it in each and every aspect. It's a good app for trading. Just download MetaTrader 4 or 5 from Play Store according to the trading account that you opened at the FX Pesa broker, or in any broker that you're using, guys. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and let's continue winning, guys. Bye.